Hi everyone, today we're gonna see SEP client package installation. So in my last video I have explained how to create client package from Symantec Endpoint Protection Manager server. So in this video I will show you how to install that client package now. So here you can see there are no client was installed. Now we can start install the packages. Package setup is exported to my desktop with exe file. I'm going to show you now. Symantec Endpoint Protection Client version 14.3.4637. This is my client exe file. So there will be two different options to install client package. The first one is from command mode and the second one is by double clicking the installation file, setup file. I'm going to use by double clicking the installation package only, but I'm going to explain you how to use the command mode also. To use command mode, go to command, and navigate to desktop using cd desktop. Linux, Mac, Windows 64-bit. Then navigate to the particular exe file. Yes. Using setup.exe. / and question mark. Then you can see available command over here. Yes, there are two command line. The / s in the sense silent mode, without knowing user you can push from backend. For that you can use that / s command, and / v command with knowing user you can install with the command line. So I'm going to use by double clicking now. I'm just closing this command prompt. You just do a double click or right click and run as admin also by admin privilege. The client package started installing now. Usually this may take few minutes, not more than 2 minutes. Based on your system performance, it will get installed soon. Yeah, it's almost done. In the background process, the first step of the client installation is live update status. So it's auto update, everything it's auto update only. So now this process needs one reboot now. So it's done almost, and I'm going to reboot now. Now my system is rebooted and I'm going to log in now. Yeah, if it is successfully installed, you must confirm the client status. It should be green color and it should be what is it? Computer status is protected and no problem detected over here. This is your status, and next you must confirm virus definition date. So today we have installed, and the status also October 6th only. So it's up to date. And by default, some services get enabled. The PTP network and host exploit mitigation and web and console access protection. So these all are by default services get installed by the client package. So here you can confirm the location where it's getting to report my computer and default group. So now we are going to check the Symantec Endpoint Protection Managers whether it's reporting or not. I'm going to log in with my admin username and password. Yes. Now you can see one client is installed and it's up to date status only. So if you want more details about that client machine, just go to client and it's reporting to default group. By double clicking, you will get all the details. So from general tab, you will get the computer name, login username and group, domain, which domain it's reporting, and the BIOS version, and all the system details you will get it. If you want network details of that client package, just move to network tab. This is current IP address and DNS server details, and MAC address details as well you will get with the default gateway details. So now I'm going to move to clients details. So this is the version of that client package 14.3, the latest version. Those details you can get it from over here. That's all guys, thanks for watching my videos.